Alright, good day, student. You are given a Surdic equation in x. You are required to find the value of x. If the square root of x plus 2, the square root of s plus 2, the square root of s plus 2, the square root of 3x is equals to x, what is the value of x? This type of problem, the easiest way to solve this type of problem is by trial and error. First of all, we must start by finding the value of a perfect square, a number that when we multiply it by 3, it will give us a whole number that will give us a perfect square. That is, when we find the square root of 3 times that number, it will give us a whole number, a perfect square. In that case, if you try 1, that will give us the square root of 3, and that is not a whole number. If you try 2, that will give us 3 times 2, and that will be square root of 6. So the next number that will be multiplied by 3 to give us a perfect square or a whole number whenever we find the square root is 3. So let s equals to 3. If s is equals to 3, we now have the square root of 3 times 3. This will give us the square root of 9. And the square root of 9 is 3. So here you have to put 3. In this case, we have the square root of x plus 2, the square root of s plus 2. Mind you, this is a long square root. The square root of what? S plus 2. We now find that the square root of 3 times x, which is 3, will give us 3. So put 3 here. Then we know that s is 3. So wherever you see s, put 3, because that is what we solve. Wherever you see s, put 3. Alright, so from here you have 2 times 3 will give us 6, plus 3 will give us 9. So all of this will give us what? The square root of 9. Already we have found that the square root of 9 is 3. So we remove here and put 3. Is it not? So this long line will reduce. So 2 times 3 will give us 6, plus 3 will give us 9. So we remove here and put 9. And we know that the square root of 9 is 3. So we remove here and put 3. So 2 times 3 will give us 6. Is it not? 6 plus 3 will give us 9. So we have 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. You see that the square root of 9 is 3, which gives us x equals to 3. So in this case, therefore, x is equals to 3. This easy way, by try and error method, because we know we are looking for a perfect square. That is, when we multiply 3 to it, it will give us the square root of a whole number, which is a perfect square. So in this case, in this problem, s is equals to 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the subscribe button whenever I have no update. You'll be the first person to be notified. Like and share. Click the subscribe button to encourage me to bring more videos for your view. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.